In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset a Casio calculator, specifically the CLASSWIZ series calculators. And to do this, you have to first access the reset menu, and you do that by pressing Shift, and then above 9, you've got this reset button, and this will open this menu, and it's quite helpful to know what all of these options do. The first option is the setup data, which lets you reset all of the settings. So if you're in a funny mode that you don't understand, you can set it back to normal. By choosing 1, it doesn't clear any of the memory, so anything you've got stored in the calculator stays there. If, however, you want to stay in the same modes, but you just want to clear the data and wipe all of the memories, you can use option 2. And if you want to fully reset the calculator, you'll choose option 3, and that will wipe absolutely everything and get you back to the normal settings that you would have had when you first got your calculator. So we're going to choose option 3, so press 3. And then you have to confirm that you do in fact want to reset the calculator. And to do that, you press equals. And then it brings you to this menu. And the last thing you need to do before you can actually start using your calculator again is to press the AC or all clear key, which is located here. And your calculator has now been fully reset back to its standard settings. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you out, please subscribe below. And finally, thank you very much for watching.